Misfits Market. Take the ice packs out. Got the cardboard. It separates it. And this is everything that I got. Artisan Remain. Deep River Sweet Onion. These are really good. Looks like these are wedged down in here. Garlic Scapes. Very mild garlic flavor. Very yummy. All this produce is organic, by the way. This is organic cherries. The last ones were really good. They were Daisy Girl. Got some apples. 1, 2. Oh, where's the sticker? 2. If I can turn it around. If it starts with a 9, that means it's organic. 3. 3 apples so far. There's a potato, good size one. Ordered lots of potatoes, so we'll see. 2, 3, 4, 5. They're getting smaller. 6, 7. Oops. 7, 8. I just got a little indent. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. And then this cauliflower. I don't know about that. Those brown spots. Doesn't look very fresh compared to the ones that we got before. I don't know. Let's see what the stem looks like. The stem looks okay. Let's see. These boxes are new. They used to put them in some clamshells. These are black plums. They're imperfect. They wouldn't last on the grocery, wouldn't last. They wouldn't be accepted on the grocery shelves because, you know, they have little marks like that. Perfectly fine. It's nice and firm. They're huge. It's one thing about Misfits. They might be too big, too small to be on the grocery shelves, or they might have a surplus and they just can't sell them all. Kent mangoes. One of my favorite mangoes. I'm glad to see that they have them. I ordered 3 of those. Nothing wrong with them that I see. Just 3 of them. What was this? Oh. Broccoli Ninos. Or Ninos. Little baby broccoli pieces. I think they're from the first cutting of broccoli that I read. The first ones on the stalk or something. I don't think I've ever had them before. It sounded really good. Apparently, I got 2 of those. These are not the healthiest. They're not the worst, though. Got them last time. I love pho, and I read about these. I saw a review online. Of course, you can add, what is that little bit of carrot tops? You can add vegetables or whatnot to it. I was trying to find the sodium or something content. It's probably really high. Oh yes, really, 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 really high. But yeah, nice plain noodle. Well, not plain. They're a little flavorful. The oil that comes with it is little spicy, and I can handle spicy. Okay, celery. It arrived broken. A couple pieces that are broken. The end doesn't look that good. I mean, it kind of looks okay. Just cut around the broken pieces. Have to use that up. And oh, there's a little cabbage. Looks pretty fresh. I always look at the stem part to see if it how fresh it is. I'm trying to find where to put this. I'll put it by my cauliflower. And then got Nantes carrots, if that's how you say it. Orange, organic Nantes carrots. Sorry, I'm having a hard time jumbling the camera and the goose. Those look really good. There's another bunch. They look yummy. Same thing, but Nantes carrots. And I don't use a lot of sugar, but when I do, I try to buy the organic cane sugar, and they have this for a really good price, so I decided to get some. Like, it'll literally last months. This piece of broken carrot, which is fine. And these, I never saw these in the store, but they sounded good. And this is the way that things arrive sometimes. That it's on the bottom, it's crushed, but I'm sure the bars in there are just completely fine. Sometimes things arrive damp, and then I take the things out of the box because they absorb moisture from the ice packs. Usually this stuff is on top, but keep trucking stuff, and it's not going to focus. It wants to focus on other things. Anyhow, it sounds really, really good. And that's all that's in the box. Sometimes they put recipe cards. They put these divide, and I don't see any in here this time. Sometimes they're tucked on the side. Usually they're on top, but they slide down sometimes. I don't see any. Oh, there's a little ad, like stuff that they are offering. They have some new merchandise that has their logo on it, and some sales that we may see coming up. Yeah, summer merch. They just started this like last week or the week before. I was really excited, but like that towel is $32. What? I guess it's like really big. But anyhow, we got cabbage, sugar, cauliflower, nori. I get that every week. Fall, that's only the second time I've got that. The artisan lettuce, the Deep River Sweet Maui onion chips. They're kettle cooked. The chewy dark chocolate bars, garlic scapes, the potatoes, black plums, Kent mangoes, broccoli ninos. Did I say apples and cherries? The celery and the carrots, and I think that was everything. I think this was around, I want to say $60, $62, but it's all organic. Not the pho, but all the vegetables are organic. So here's to happy eating.